Oh yes, it's that Friday feeling, can you believe it? We're here again. And no, we're not here again as such, because yesterday I was at my new flying field just to meet the fellas and bits and pieces, and I found that Nature and RC can be as one. What's this?
It's an AP-15, very rare Chinese engine, sold out of America. Sold out of
Sorry Tom, it's an AP-15, is it?
AP-15, yeah, very rare engine from the 70s. It's got a rear exhaust.
And how long you had that, Tom, for?
It's got one of Dave Ricks's silencers on it, which is why it's very quiet.
I did see that. How long you had it for, Tom?
And this one, my daughter bought it in the USA about 12 years ago. There's a flat pack kit. Posted it to me for Christmas. I've been flying it for 12 years.
Wow. That's awesome.
It's got a series of gyros which keeps it fairly steady.
All right. What gyro is that then?
I use these, got a very cheap GWS ones in it. They cost about a tenner.
Well, it does the thing, does the trick.
Take the wing off, then you can see,
go on in.
Then you can see the gyros.
Yeah, look, Tom's not always about flying, he does Ferraris as well.
Yep, all minis, we do everything.
Let's have a look in here then. Go on in, Tom, what you got in there?
GWS gyros. They're very cheap, very old, do a good job.
It does the trick though.
Yeah, it keeps it just from flicking too much.
And what size tank's that?
Say again?
What size tank?
It's a big tank, it's a 6 ounce, it flies for 1 hour on a tank full.
Wow. Yeah, looks like you're leaking.
Probably feel like the overspill, because we've got its nose down. We don't like having its nose down. It gets a nosebleed.
Well, nice one, Tom.
Good luck.
All right. No, Tammy's fine.
Good shot there. Good shot. Yeah. One share that scramble. That's close, isn't it?
Yeah. Go for it.
Oh yeah, beautiful shot. See that? Yeah. Chops it up with a prop. I don't think you'd ever touch them. Yeah,
I think they're too quick to knock.
Bring your friend up again.
Yeah. He's stalking you. Well, there you go. Nature can be a part of RC too. And that particular RC airplane was fantastic. But it was an RC bird of prey. I don't know what you like to call it, but it was fantastic. And you're going to be seeing a lot more videos up at that field. Today is a bit sunny. It's the Friday. Yesterday was the Thursday. In fact, it's the Friday, the 19th of April, 2024. Also, just to remind you here, we got a live show this Sunday at 8 PM UK time GMT. With Free Sky Steve all the way from the USA, and he's got some great news to tell us, so don't miss that now. Just, yeah, don't miss it. Anyway, all I can say now is if you're going to get out there and have some fun, which I'm sure you're going to, keep safe, be safe, but most of all have fun. And that just leaves me one thing to say. David, this is next week's show, not today's show.
No.
Make sure you watch out next week, the Avatar 2.